Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel dedicated to helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two AMD desktop processors, the Ryzen 5 5500 and the Ryzen 5 4500. Let's dive in and see which one stands out. First up, let's talk price. The Ryzen 5 5500 is priced at $159, while the Ryzen 5 4500 comes in at a more affordable $129. If budget is a major concern, the Ryzen 5 4500 is already winning points. However, stay tuned as we delve deeper into whether the extra cost of the Ryzen 5 5500 is justified. Next, let's look at dimensions and weight. The Ryzen 5 5500 measures 5.43 L x 5.27 W x 2.86 H inches and weighs 0.97 pounds. The Ryzen 5 4500 is slightly different at 5.43 L x 5.23 W x 2.87 H inches, weighing 0.95 pounds. These differences are negligible, making both processors virtually identical in this category. Now on to performance. The Ryzen 5 5500 boasts faster clock speeds and better multi-threading capabilities, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks. Reviewers have praised its ability to handle games at various resolutions and its excellent performance for budget builds. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 4500 is still a solid performer, handling high-detail games and workloads efficiently, but it does fall short when compared to the 5500. If you're looking for top-tier performance, the 5500 is your go-to. Lastly, let's talk value for money. The Ryzen 5 4500 offers great performance at a lower price, making it a fantastic option for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and capability in mid-end builds. The Ryzen 5 5500, while more expensive, provides exceptional performance and is highly recommended for gaming and demanding tasks. If you're willing to spend a bit more, the 5500 is worth the investment. Overall, the Ryzen 5 5500 is praised for its superior performance and value in budget builds, making it an excellent choice for gamers and power users. Reviewers appreciate its fast installation and reliable performance. The Ryzen 5 4500 is also highly regarded for its affordability and solid performance in mid-end builds, although it may not be ideal for high-end gaming setups. Both processors have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and budgets. That wraps up our comparison of the Ryzen 5 5500 and Ryzen 5 4500. Let us know in the comments which processor you think is the better buy and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons. Product links are in the description. Stay smart and happy shopping!